Determine the impact of cylinder with the rigid floor when falling from a height of 2 feet at an angle, as shown in figure. Note that the 2 feet height is measured from the lowest point of the cylinder. The cylinder is made up of plain carbon steel. In this case study, you will run the drop test analysis on a cylinder. In drop test, you do not need to define any boundary conditions, fixtures or loads. So first of all, download this cylinder from our video description links and open it in Solidworks. After that, go to simulation tab and start a new study. And from the specialized simulations, select the drop test. Give it a specific name to your study and OK. Then assign a material to this cylinder, that is plain carbon steel. After that, go to the properties. Okay. So before going to you have to make a setup. Define edit setup. Here is a specify the height or velocity at impact. We want to make analysis or drop test with a specific height, and height is measured from the lowest point. So select the from the lowest point, change the dimensions to feet and enter the value, that is 2 feet. So here you have to select a plane for a gravity directions and gravity reference. When we select the planes, the gravity will be the normal to that planes. So here select this plane. You can see gravity force is normal to this plane one. So keep target orientation normal to the gravity. And target stiffness, that is a rigid, not flexible. That is a rigid floor. Keep other parameters default. Okay. So we have defined a setup. Now from results option, define edit results. Here is the solution time after impact. That is 355 microseconds. And save results just starting from as is impact starts. So there is no time delay. Here are the number of plots 25. Okay, there is no sensors. Now run your create a curvature based mesh. From mesh parameters, select curvature based mesh. So mesh is being generated now. Now run your study now. And wait until your solution completes. So our simulation study has been completed now. You can see that the maximum stress due to this contact occurs here due to this drop is 437 megapascal. That exceeds the material yield strength, that is 220 megapascals. That means your part go to failures as it have impact with the rigid floor. Similarly, you can check the displacement, that is the 1.16 millimeter. Edit definitions. Here is this is the deformation as at 355 microseconds. You can change the scale It now again. You can see the deformation. If we see the front view, just reduce the scale value to 100. So I think you enjoyed this simulations of drop test of a cylinders in Solidworks. Please make a practice of these simulations and thank you for watching our channel. Subscribe and share. Take care. Bye bye.